You can now control your printer with your voice thanks to Alexa Print from Amazon. Using an Echo device, you can ask your printer to print common items such as to-do lists, recipes, calendar notifications, and more.
Welcome back to Sonic Insights, where we cover audio, voice, and hearable tech news.
More to the story. While this might seem a bit trivial on the surface, there are some pretty interesting aspects to this. For starters, by linking Alexa to your printer, users can opt in to have supply notifications and smart reordering so that if you get low on ink, toner, or paper, you'll be notified or even have Alexa automatically order your supplies for you. In addition, you can print off things like crossword puzzles, Sudoku, or other types of games. Homeschool help. One other interesting aspect to linking Alexa to your printer is that it can be used for homeschooling purposes, which might come in handy for many parents right now. Parents and teachers can ask Alexa to print graph paper or lined paper, as well as asking for things such as sample math worksheets or science worksheets.
For an efficient way to stay up to date with audio, voice, and hearables technology, subscribe to our newsletter, podcast, and YouTube channel by checking us out at sonicinsights.co.